What's up everyone? It's your girl Sophia and I'm here to show you a new lace front wig from Outre. This is the Swoop and I'm going to be talking to you about this lace front wig today. Okay, so let's get right into this wig. This is the Outre Perfect Hairline Swoop series. It is a lace frontal wig and it's a fully hand-tied 13x4 frontal. The box looks amazing. I haven't had an Outre in a little while, so I'm excited to open this. And when you get the box, make sure you take a look at the instructions on the back. They give you all the information you need about the front, about the sides, how the wig is going to be constructed, which I'm also going to show you when I take it out of the box. And the color that we're working with today, you guys are going to love this color because it's not 1B, it's not 1, it is Swedish blonde. So there's the color right there, and let's open it. All right, designed to be great straight from the box. So this wig and this option is going to be put it on and go. This is not supposed to be complicated. You're supposed to be able to pull this right out of the box and wear it to the event. And we're going to try it right now and see how it goes. So let's take a look at Miss Hairline Swoop. Whew. Okay, here we go. Let me just put this over here. Let's pop this off. All right, so like any wig, you're gonna see the main tag that gives you all the information that you need. Sometimes they give you the directions on how to wash them and everything. Yep, it's all in here. And then on the back, that will show you the color selection that you have. So you can see that this unit comes in 8 colors, and the color that we're doing today is Swedish blonde. Now, typically, when I have a lace front wig, after I pull it out of the package, there are a couple of things that I need to do to the wig to personalize it for myself. But this wig boasts that it's right out of the package, which means baby hair, all of the plucking and everything that you would typically do when you bought a wig back in the day. Now it's all done for you. So let's take a look at the construction of the wig. It's your typical wig construction. You have your strap to hold it down. You have your extenders so that you can fit the wig a little bit tighter and pull these if you need to tighten it on your head. And then you should have some combs, which here they are. 2 combs at the side. And then you always have 1 comb at the back. And I typically don't even use these. And let's just look at the length. All right, I'm guessing this is like somewhere around 22 inches, but I'll be sure to include that information for you guys later. Don't forget to remove this little gold string that holds the tag. Here we go. And normally what we would do is we would put it on a wig head and then personalize it a little bit more. There's even combs in here. Wow. Okay. Some little combs to keep it in place. And then if you look closely, these little hairs here are going to be your baby hairs. So it is a side part. What's interesting is on the box, it's a middle part. So let's go ahead and we're going to cut the lace. And once we cut the lace, then we can secure the wig. First, I'm going to try it on for you guys. The thing about blondes that you have to be careful with is if you're wearing makeup. Sometimes you might get a little bit of foundation in the hairline, and you're going to use foundation to make your hairline look a little bit more natural. But I'm just talking about when you're actually applying the hair, just be careful of the sides. So let's go ahead and put this on. And I have my wig cap here. I put one on right before we started. This one is by Red. You can pick these up at Cloré as well. And this is just a natural shade. And then that's about it for now. Let me just put this on and see how it looks. So we're back, and I put the wig on, and you guys can see the hairline's actually very impressive, everyone. I am loving this so far, and it's not like, the color is like a white blonde. So if you're really looking for something that's opposite of a 613, because 613 is more of a yellow blonde, if you're really going for that white blonde, then this swoop is going to be the wig for you. And I actually love the way it came in the package as opposed to how it looks in the photo on the package, which is a middle part. This is a side part. So I'm going to move a little bit closer so that you guys can see that I have the lace on here. And then let's look at this hairline, which is really crazy. There's not really any plucking needed, just like they said. And so all I need to do now is secure it, and then we're gonna style it. So let me put some hairspray, come back. You don't need to do anything too fancy. Grab your gel, your blow dryer, your favorite hairspray. I'm gonna try this product from Cloré. It's the new Gorilla Snot Gel. I'm going to take a little bit of this off camera, put it on, and then secure the wig and come back and show it to you guys in the next few minutes. So we are back, and this is the Perfect Hairline Swoop Series Lace Front Wig by Outre. I am in love with this color. It looks so good, and I'm going to show you guys the original card, which was like the box. They styled it in parted in the middle style, but when I took it out of the package, it was actually a side part, and I prefer the side part. But being able to switch the part and the versatility is an awesome feature of this wig. So I'm just gonna comb through it, and I think I told you before that it was a 22-inch. It's a 24, so it is a little bit longer than I was expecting. And the sides, you guys, I have to move in a little bit closer so that you guys can see the hairline. It's amazing. And all I used was the Gorilla Glue to lay it down. I haven't even flattened it. I have my handy elastic here. This is for the perfect melt. We're not even at that stage yet. We are just at the stage where I cut it off camera and used a little bit of glue around the hairline to lay this baby down. So, you know, I almost look like I'm ready to go out already. But I'm gonna put this on. And then, you guys, this is gonna be the last step that you need to do for the perfect look of this lace front wig. Make sure that you get your melt elastic. And normally I have a clip for this part. I'll usually put a little banana clip. But you definitely want to put your melting lace all around like that. And while you're around the house, cooking, cleaning, playing music, getting ready for wherever you're wearing your wig to, just wear this, even for like an hour, and I promise you it will literally melt all of this lace that you see here right into your skin. I am telling you. Take it from me, because I love a good synthetic wig so that I can change up my color, and I'm feeling like Storm right now. Like, this color is everything. So be sure to follow the instructions. There are so many wig reviews that you can watch to learn how to do your own install, but you definitely need to hit up Cloré, because they have such a great selection of wigs in their flyer right now. And if it's this easy to switch up your look, why not?